I'm Steve, and welcome back to the AI Beginner Academy podcast, the simple, friendly place to learn AI one clear lesson at a time. Today, we're continuing our mini-series on the future of AI, and in this episode, we're looking ahead a little farther. People ask me this all the time. What's actually coming and when? Not the hype, not the fear, just a calm, realistic look at what to expect. So let's jump right into today's listener question.
Listen to questions.
Today, we're coming back to Sarah's question because it continues to frame this entire mini-series perfectly. She asked, how fast is AI actually moving? And what should normal people expect over the next few years? Last time, we focused on the near future, what the next 12 months are likely to look like. Then we widened the lens to the next 3 to 5 years, where changes start to feel more noticeable in everyday life. Today, we're pushing that timeline even further, looking at 5 years and beyond. This is where the impact of AI becomes less about individual tools and more about long-term shifts in science, health, work, and society. And Sarah's question is the perfect starting point for exploring what that longer horizon realistically looks like. Last time, we talked about the next 3 to 5 years. That's the period where AI starts quietly changing everyday life in noticeable ways. Today, we're looking beyond that, 5 years and beyond. This is where the effects aren't just faster or more convenient. They start to reshape how science, work, health, and society itself move forward. Not in a sudden, sci-fi way, but in a steady, compounding way that feels inevitable once you zoom out. AI still won't be conscious. It won't wake up, and it won't suddenly replace humanity, but it will become a deeper force behind progress. Let's talk through what that looks like. 1. Scientific discovery enters a new era. Beyond 5 years, AI doesn't just accelerate science. It changes how discovery happens. Instead of humans testing ideas one at a time, we'll see AI systems generating and testing millions of hypotheses. Simulations replacing large portions of trial-and-error research. Faster discovery of new materials, medicines, and energy systems. Scientific collaboration happening globally in real time. Research timelines that once took decades could shrink dramatically. This doesn't replace scientists. It amplifies human curiosity and intuition. AI becomes the engine that lets humanity explore ideas at a scale we never could before. 2. Medicine shifts from reactive to predictive. 5 years and beyond, healthcare becomes less about reacting to illness and more about preventing it. We'll likely see AI models that predict disease risk years in advance. Personalized treatment plans based on your genetics, lifestyle, and environment. Continuous health monitoring that catches problems early. AI-assisted drug design becoming routine. Healthcare access expanding globally through AI-powered diagnostics. Doctors don't disappear. They become decision-makers supported by intelligent systems. Medicine becomes more precise, more humane, and more proactive. 3. AI agents become trusted digital partners. This is where AI feels very different. Beyond 5 years, AI agents stop being tools and start acting like long-term collaborators. These agents will understand your goals over time, remember preferences and context, manage complex, multi-step tasks that coordinate across apps, services, and devices, proactively suggest actions instead of waiting for commands, not controlling your life, supporting it. Think less assistant, more trusted digital partner. 4. Robots quietly integrate into the physical world. Robotics doesn't explode overnight. It seeps into daily life. Beyond 5 years, we'll see robots handling dangerous, repetitive, or exhausting work. Widespread use in logistics, healthcare, construction, and agriculture. Assistive robots supporting aging populations. Machines designed for function, not human likeness. Most robots won't look impressive. They'll just work. And because they do, humans get more time for creativity, care, and problem solving. 5. AI expands humanity's reach into the universe. This is one of the most awe-inspiring long-term impacts. AI is already helping analyze massive telescope datasets, radio signals from deep space, exoplanet atmospheres, cosmic anomalies humans would never notice. Beyond 5 years, AI dramatically increases our chances of identifying biosignatures, detecting unusual patterns, narrowing down promising signals, understanding the universe at scales never before possible. No guarantees of alien contact, but our ability to notice something extraordinary increases enormously. AI becomes a tool for cosmic curiosity. 6. Economic models begin to evolve. As AI-driven productivity compounds, the conversation around work and value deepens. Beyond 5 years, discussions around universal basic income, reduced work weeks, lifelong reskilling, new definitions of productivity, human-centered economic models move from theory toward policy experimentation, not because humans are obsolete, but because machines make abundance easier to create. Society begins asking, how do we distribute opportunity in a world of high productivity? 7. Work becomes human plus AI by default. Jobs don't vanish, roles evolve. Beyond 5 years, most knowledge workers collaborate with AI daily. Creativity, judgment, and empathy become more valuable. AI literacy becomes as basic as computer literacy. Small teams accomplish what once required entire departments. People don't compete against AI. They learn to work with it. Those who do thrive. 8. Everyday life feels more seamless, not magical. This is the part that sneaks up on you. Life doesn't feel futuristic, it just feels smoother. Technology anticipates needs. Systems talk to each other. Friction disappears from daily tasks. Tools fade into the background. Not dramatic, not flashy, just quietly better. So when we look 5 years and beyond, the story isn't about AI taking over. It's about faster discovery, better health, smarter collaboration, expanded human potential, deeper understanding of the universe, technology that supports rather than overwhelms. Not scary, not dystopian, just a long, steady shift toward more capable tools and more human possibility. And most important part, we get to shape how it's used.
AI hot tip.
All right, here's your AI hot tip for this week. Instead of thinking of AI as a tool you use once in a while, start treating it like a long-term thinking partner. Here's the prompt. Act as my long-term thinking partner. Help me clarify my goals over the next 5 to 10 years. Ask me questions, challenge my assumptions, and help me move in the right direction over time. Why this matters. Beyond 5 years, the most valuable use of AI won't be quick answers. It'll be continuity. AI systems will remember context, track long-term goals, and evolve alongside you. The people who benefit most won't be the ones who ask better questions once. They'll be the ones who build ongoing relationships with their AI. By using AI today to think in longer time horizons, years, not days, you're practicing the exact mindset that future AI agents will be designed to support. You're not preparing for the future by predicting it. You're preparing by thinking long-term with help.
Optimistic AI thought of the week.
All right, now for our final segment, the optimistic AI thought of the week. The biggest changes AI will bring 5 years from now and beyond won't be about replacing people. They'll be about expanding what people are capable of. Most of the breakthroughs ahead in medicine, science, learning, creativity, and everyday life aren't designed to remove humans from the equation. They're designed to remove friction, to help people think more clearly, learn more effectively, stay healthier, solve bigger problems, and focus on the parts of life that truly matter. The long-term future of AI isn't humans versus machines. It's humans working alongside intelligent tools, amplifying curiosity, creativity, and compassion at a scale we've never had before. And that combination isn't just powerful. It's hopeful. And before we wrap up, if you'd like to go deeper and build real, practical AI skills at your own pace, you can explore the AI Beginner Academy. It's designed specifically for beginners. No tech background required. With clear lessons, real examples, and hands-on guidance to help you understand AI and actually use it with confidence. You can learn more at aibeginner.net, where you'll find the Academy, free resources, and simple ways to keep learning without the overwhelm. Thanks so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I really appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next episode.